how long do you think it will be until humans move to another planet? I mean, is that happening? Has this changed your mind about the possibility of humans going somewhere else?
No.
No.
Yeah, we're not going anywhere. Does it look
Yeah.
like we're all ready to move off of Earth? Do you have any evidence of this at all?
Things have gotten kind of bad here.
Do you?
Okay.
No, I'm just being sincere.
Yeah.
Okay, no. Unless there's some military reason to colonize Mars, or we find oil on Mars, because its atmosphere is already 100% CO2. So who cares if you add some more there? I'm a sort of skeptic in that regard. I don't see it happening.
What should we,
Get
if
that
we're
off my
not
chest.
going to these exoplanets, what should we care about them?
Well, I want to still research them so that if in another generation we have enlightened human residents of Earth and exploration becomes a fundamental part of what it is to expand horizons, looking for solutions to all of your problems, as well as finding, well, the solutions come about because you have to innovate to do any of this. And innovations drive tomorrow's health, wealth, and security. So that you get that for free. But I want to know if we found out if there's life there, that might trigger this 9-year-old girl to say, I want to visit that life, and then she'll invent a warp drive, and then we'll get there in, a few months rather than 400,000 years.
Are we gonna find life there?
Okay, I don't know, but there's a whole new emergent branch of my field, which you'll surely start reporting on when we finally have data. And it's called the search for biomarkers. If a planet moves in front of its host star, then the light from that star passes through the atmosphere on its route to us. Our sight line traverses this. And so that light is then kissed by the chemistry of that atmosphere. It leaves a fingerprint. Is there carbon there? You'll see it. Oxygen, methane, you'll be able to notice that. And some chemicals in an atmosphere are signatures of active life on its surface. No, we can't see the surface, but we can see the atmosphere. Oxygen on Earth. If you take away all green plants, tomorrow, the oxygen level will drop to 0 eventually, because oxygen is chemically reactive. It'll just find other things to react to, and it'll leave the atmosphere. And so oxygen in an atmosphere is not stable, but only in the presence of something that's continually pumps it. If we find oxygen on these planets, she's going there.
All right.
Okay?
All right.